How to create longer videos in Sora 2. So if you want to create longer videos in Sora 2, then what you need to do is just watch this video. Imagine you've got a fantastic idea bubbling in your mind and you're eager to bring it to life in a form of a longer video. Then Sora is perfect. First things first, you want to open Sora 2 and log in. If you're not already a user, then setting up your account is just easy. Search for Sora 2. And then once you find it, you need to click on Sora 2 and just go and create an account. Once you're securely logged in, you'll see the prompt section. This is where the magic begins. Here you will describe your video idea as much as detail possible. This is a crucial step because your description acts as a blueprint for your entire video. So be comprehensive and think about what story you want to tell or what message you want to convey. Next, it's time to decide on your video's orientation. Sora 2 offers you to choose your choice of landscape, like portrait or your landscape format. Now, this choice might depend on the platform where you plan to share your video. If it's for YouTube, landscape is often preferred, whereas portrait could be more suitable for platforms like Instagram or TikTok. Feel free to add visuals at this stage. If you have specific images in mind that complement your idea, its potential, but visuals can really enhance your narrative. Once your prompt is ready and you've chosen your orientation and added any optional images, you're ready to generate your video. You can either add text in order to create your video, or you can just go with the image to create your video. So under the description section, you need to enter the video description. Make sure that the video description is long enough to make longer videos. If your description is short and if you don't have much text or much image, then your videos will be short. So make sure that the video description is long enough, and then your aspect ratio. Make sure that to select the aspect ratio as you prefer, which is square, portrait, and landscape. And then you have your example like the product demo or nature scene. You can go with an example. And once you've done with all of these information right here, you need to go with generate Sora 2 video, and it will take a bit of time to process high quality videos, and your longer videos will be just there in Sora 2. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.